Greetings, my friend. It's Mahdi, mentor with Mahdi.com, marketingmasteryonline.org, and this is volume 2 in our First Steps Business Incubator video series. In our first video, volume 1, we spoke about getting you to $5,000 a month in residual income, whether you are a seasoned marketer and you already have a project, or you're a brand new person and you're looking at how you can generate an alternative source of income so that you can better meet the needs of yourself and your family. So whether you are in traditional MLM or multi-level marketing, or you are an online marketer promoting predominantly affiliate products and services, the emphasis in this video series is always going to be to have a result for you being in residual income. We want that our efforts be to have a stream of income that flows to us month after month for efforts that we've done in the marketplace once. We don't want to have to start all over again and reinvent the wheel every time. This is not direct sales. Direct sales is when you go out and you offer a product or a service and you get paid for that, then you have to go out and find another person to offer a product or service and get paid for that. It's linear income where you get paid for the work you do. That, my friend, is your job. That's the definition of what your job that you're working at is like. We're not building a job here. We're here to build passive, residual, recurring revenue, right? So again, residual income is monies that flow to you month after month for some service that you've rendered, something that you've done in the marketplace once. You establish a person with a product, or establish them with a subscription to a service once, and you get paid month after month after month as they continue enjoying that product by reordering, or enjoying that service by continuing that service month after month. That's residual income. So let's take a second and look at the differences between traditional MLM business models and online marketing business models. Traditional MLM, or multi-level marketing, or network marketing, or network distribution as it is called, is a business model where teams of people organize the movement of product or the delivery of services in the marketplace through a network, there's that word again, through a network of end users, okay? And the skill set in network marketing or multi-level marketing, network distribution, the skill set is based on relationships, your ability to develop great relationships, organize a team, and direct that team towards a common goal, right? So in multi-level marketing, the emphasis is on relationships, and your income increases as the size of your network increases, okay? In online marketing, on the other hand, in the online marketing of affiliate programs, it's based on you. There's not a lot of leverage usually in online marketing programs. It's based on you taking a product or a service and promoting that product or service to an online or internet-based audience. And that audience, for the most part, is unknown to you, right? Network marketing, you're dealing with relationships, either your personal relationships, your circle of contacts, associates, and relations, or an extended circle of relations, and those are warm or semi-warm relationships, right? And there's teamwork involved. In online marketing, it's how well you are able to promote a product or service to an online audience that sees value in what it is that you are offering. the skill sets are different in online marketing. In online marketing, you are presenting a product or service either through text, as in the case of a classified ad, or through graphic imagery, as in the case of a banner ad, right? So that's one. The way you are presenting your offering is different, right? And you're doing this all online. Then there is the factor of you capturing leads of interested people by taking your text ad or your graphic imagery, your banner ad, and placing it in enough of the right places on the internet so that you can pique interest with people that are searching for the product or the service that you're offering, right? So it's, first of all, developing a medium of sharing, either through text or through graphic imagery, then placing it in the right places, right? Then a system of capturing those leads, the people that are interested. How do you capture those leads? You have to have a system for that. And then continuing that conversation so that you can take those leads and convert them to people that are happily involved in your product, taking that product or taking that service. So there's a whole series of skill sets that are involved in online marketing that are very different from the skill sets that are necessary for traditional MLM or network marketing. Now, in traditional MLM, the strength of the product is less important than the power of your know, like, and trust relations. In other words, you don't have to make the best hamburger, right? You don't have to have the best hamburger. Take the example, perfect example. Take the example of McDonald's, right? Or Coca-Cola. Both companies, multinational conglomerates, making billions of dollars annually. Does Burger King or does McDonald's make the best hamburger? Absolutely not. Did they have the best nutritional value in their food? Absolutely not. So what drives their growth there is that each one of their locations is a distribution point, right? In McDonald's, each one of their locations is a distribution point. So it's the size of their distribution network, and it's having a clearly defined and easily deliverable message, right? So they have a number of distribution points, and no matter what McDonald's you go in, no matter what country you're in, they're delivering the same message, and they're delivering a service that is the same level of service no matter where you go. Now, you have to think of your traditional MLM the same way. In your traditional network marketing business, you're offering a product or a service, and you're doing that through a network of associates, right? Each one of the associates in your network is a distribution point from city to city in the country that you're in and extended into other countries. So each one of those associates that are in your team, in your organization, your distribution network is delivering the same message, right, regarding your product or service, and that's what builds the power of your network marketing or traditional MLM business, right? So having a product or service that has relatively good value is more than enough to get your business building rapidly. Now, with online marketing, on the other hand, since your audience is basically cold to you, the value of your product or service and in other words, that product or service's need in the marketplace, the ability for it to meet a need in the marketplace, and how skillful you are at placing that product or service of need in front of the right audience is more of the determining factor on how successful you will be in building an online income, an income via the internet. Now, there's a hybrid, okay? There is a hybrid between the two of these. There are low-cost, high-value, high-yield products and services that you can use online strategies to promote to a wide audience. And because these products and services are at a low cost, they have a very high value, right? And they're able to generate a high yield in the way of profitability. Plus, you can support their value by doing video presentations, through your video channels of YouTube or Vidler or Vimeo. You can increase the value by doing video and increase the reach. These hybrids have extremely explosive ability to generate daily, weekly cash flow for you. All right, and these product services fall into the category of what we call funded proposals. We're going to speak more about funded proposals in the future video series, but I just want you to keep that in mind. These are hybrids, and they're extremely effective. They again have high value, and people, a lot of times, they're tools. They're tools that internet marketers are needing. For example, Aweber, an autoresponder, is a tool that every online marketer needs. Aweber offers their service and allows affiliates, people that are using their service, I should say, to become affiliates for the product and promote their autoresponder, right? And gain a cash flow from everyone that they get involved, other marketers that they get involved using their autoresponder. So for an online marketer, having a low-cost, high-value, high-yield product like an autoresponder that they can promote to other marketers becomes a source of revenue for them. That's just one example. Aweber is very low cost. It's not high yield, so it really doesn't fit into the classical definition of this, but I want you to get an idea. Usually these are tools that people can use to that they can use to offer to other marketers, other business people that will help a person in their business, right? And as a result of you sharing it with another business person, you're able to develop a cash flow from that. That business person can sign up as an affiliate for that product or that service, and by extension, offer it to some of their contacts, develop a cash flow from it. And that cash flow is a way of funding your primary business, bringing in dollars to fund your bigger business project. I think we'll stop right there. It's always a pleasure sharing with you. Please stay tuned to the YouTube series found on YouTube, FirstBizSteps. Just search YouTube for First, F-I-R-S-T, Biz, B-I-Z, Steps, S-T-E-P-S, all together as a search on YouTube. And of course on the blog, marketingmasteryonline.org or mentorwithmahdi.com. It's a pleasure. I want you to remember that we believe that residual income is the door to wealth, and that relationships are the keys that unlock that door. Now you, my friend, go out and share that with the world. My name is Mahdi. We'll see you on the next video.